Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone has unfriended or blocked or removed you from Snapchat. So first of all, you have to open the Snapchat app and head on to your inbox. Now for checking that a person has removed you or not, you have to first of all search up his name and go to the inbox and tap on the name of the person you want to check. So if here at the top of his profile and under his profile username, if you can see his snap score, so in this case this person has 507.36 scores. It means this person has not unfriended or removed me from Snapchat. It means this person is in my friend list. Now let's check out the person who has unfriended or removed me. For checking, so you have to again go to your conversation list and let me show you any person who is not in my friend list. It means he or she has removed me. If I tap on this person, I am not able to see his or her Snapchat score. It means this person has removed me. For checking if someone has blocked you on Snapchat, you can go back to your search and you can type the name of the person like this. You want to check if she or he blocked you or not. If you type his full username here and his profile does not appear up, it means that person has blocked you. So that's how you check the removal of friendship or if someone has blocked you or not. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.